Okay, I think we've got all the old drain fluid out. We flushed it through. So we're going to replace the disgusting blue ones. Sure, some people like it. That's your viewpoint. I respect that. With some nice, just silver, simple braided lines. And then we can flog these on, hopefully. Yeah, they're fine. They're working great. No damage, no leaks and all the rest of it, but just don't like the colour. Not really going to match the new scheme. So let's get on with it. Just seen that I've serviced the calipers as kind of best as you just kind of a general service where you just get the pistons in and out, get them all free. Like 2 were moving freely, the other was stuck basically, which makes sense with the binding. Cleaned off all the pads, all the old grease, re-greased, cleaned it all up. Right, new lines, new brake fluid. Let's be having you. Alright, so that's the front brakes all sorted. Final couple of little bits to do once we've got the wheel and the discs on. And we'll give it a final bleed. Nice fresh fluid. It's got the new lines on, all serviced, all moving nice and freely now. So, same order of service at the back, just 1 caliper, just 2 pistons. Should be easy, alright? Soon find out. Okay, well that's about done. So basically other than putting the rotors back on, or the disc brakes back, discs themselves, back on the wheels and getting it all on then and just double checking that it's all bled. That's all the nice fresh fluid in there. Colour change is quite obvious, I hope. And the new brake line, not bright blue anymore, service the caliper. Not replaced anything, observed a few things. I think what I'd do in future is maybe next winter do a brake overhaul. So on both calipers, the slider here is a little bit pitted, and the pistons on the front ones are pitted a little bit, just on the outside. So we might put new pistons and seals in the front, and on this one a new slider just there. But actually otherwise that's okay. By the way, it's a single piston, not twin, my mistake. So next step, we're going to do a little mod on the next episode. This is the MT-07 clutch lever that goes on here. I'm going to do that on the next episode of A Phase in My Life. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Won't necessarily be in chronological order, because I expect by the time we get to that, the wheels episode might have been finished, and there's wheels on here, which there aren't right now, because they're drying, and the tyres are in the post. So, well, yeah, live with it.